The Safety First Smart Humidifier ensures your child's room maintains the perfect humidity level, promoting comfortable breathing. With a 1-gallon tank, this humidifier can operate continuously for up to 24 hours, reducing the need for frequent refills. The touch display provides real-time monitoring of temperature and humidity, allowing for precise adjustments to the room's atmosphere. Parents can effortlessly manage the humidifier through the Safety First connected app, offering convenience and peace of mind. The ultrasonic cool mist feature includes 3 mist levels, catering to various preferences for room humidity. Helpful in-app reminders alert users when the water is low or when it's time to clean, ensuring maintenance is straightforward.